Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Royce. I am your runner. This is Cursus, and today, he's gonna teach me how to BB. He's one of the better players out on the field that I go to, so we're gonna see how I do following him around today.
Keep going as long as players, right?
Yeah.
So I want to keep us as quiet as possible until we have a good kill shot and try not to be seen.
Okay.
So we're gonna try and ambush them as much as we can.
Do we want to hide over the ridge?
No, here's a good position. We can always fall back into the village and then move where we need to go. This building is a pretty good buffer.
Okay.
So if we go that way, we can try and flank around behind them.
Right.
If we come our way, we take a couple shots around and then fall down.
Yeah.
Welcome back to not just another gameplay video, but the first gameplay video of Teach Me How to BB. In this video series, I'm going to follow around some of the better players on the field that I go to and see what they can teach me. In today's video, I'm following around the player known as Cursus. We know him by no other name, and today he's going to teach me how to move on the field, whether it's getting up front or falling back. Today's game mode is Vehicle Assault. It's all about survival. We have 2 respawns, while those protecting the vehicle have 3. So we need to play our cards right in order to win.
Okay. Falling back. I don't know. We can't really see it. Huh? Shit. Yeah, we gotta move. We gotta move. Fall back. Go.
Cursus is providing some great direction right now and telling me to get the hell out of the firing zone while there was a saw just the other side of us, sending a lot of BBs in our direction. One of the things he focused on with me today was constant movement, never staying in one spot for too very long if the enemy knows where you are.
Hit! I'm hit! Hit Magic Mayhem. I know they do. We're never buying them again. Cursus, where are they? Cursus, I'm gonna be shooting right by you.
Cursus has managed to hold his ground the entire time I was walking back to respawn and getting back into the game. That's kind of impressive, and this is one of the reasons he's one of the better players out on the field. And it wasn't just noticed by me today either.
I'm gonna try shooting between this board. Slat. Apologize if I hit you. I don't see him though.
This was one of the most boss things I've ever seen. Cursus got up and did a slow calculating walk right in the middle of a firefight to get his target. This is why I'm following him around today.
Cursus is going for it. God damn, that guy is good. You dead? All right, hold it here. They're moving right. I see people. Shit, I'm exposed right there. Shit.
At this point, I'm not moving around very much. I should have been, but I wasn't. I was kind of locking myself down in an area, but it seemed like enemies were surrounding us on all sides, so I wasn't really sure which direction to go.
Guys, moving left.
I'm so glad I'm running an SMG for a lot of this, because it gives me the option to open up on full auto. The only other platform allowed to do that on my field is the light machine gun or support role.
Where are they engaging from?
At this point, the enemy was right in the middle of a hard push, right near my position, and pretty soon you're going to see the vehicle roll up right next to me. Once a vehicle gets shot, it has to stop in place and wait until the boys can come up and try to clear us ambushers out of the way. This is my final stand. It's almost over for me. I have less than a minute left. But one of the things that I was definitely able to learn in this video is that constant movement, whether forward or back, is always a fantastic way to play. Even if it's a slow move just to get your target, it's one of the best things you can do. Keep moving and keep the enemy on their toes. I want to say thank you to Cursus for letting me follow him around and for giving me some tips on how to be a better airsoft player. I hope this helped all of you guys out, and I look forward to seeing you all next time right here on Runner Airsoft.